Well, finally you got to ask me for this bundle. Hello everyone who watched my video. Today I would like to share with you not very popular but very interesting and profitable way of earning. It is based on buying crypto coins at normal price and then selling them on another exchange. Roughly speaking, it is a two-page link. Exchanges we will use Binance and Ikkito, but it is a little bit complicated, but I will show you everything in details. And today, together with you, I will make a circle and show that it's really honest exchanger. Let's go. And so, to start, we need to buy $1,000 on Ikkito. Let's take address for deposit and make it. And while waiting for confirmation, I want to say that registration here is pretty simple. I think everyone can handle it. Now we need to buy the most profitable coin on this exchange. Here, this will be Yefir. As you can see, we got coins. Recall that we bought them for $1,000. At the current rate of Binance is $1,000. Now we need to withdraw to Binance and sell this coin there. Withdraw in your personal office exchange and waiting for confirmation. I'm with you again. As you see, coins came. It remains to change them in USDT. Doing that it is now we have $1,104 on our balance and we can withdraw it wherever we want. I have been living off this bundle for over 3 months now. It fits me and my family, so use it. Use it, and in gratitude I will ask you to like this video. Link to the exchange in the description below the video. Thank you all, good luck!